The title of our project is Integration of Actuating Elements in Additive Manufacturing. The aim is to assess the feasibility and the potential of actuating elements, which in this case are piezo elements, directly integrated in the additive manufacturing process of metal components. So additional to the conventional potential of additive manufacturing lying in the integration of complex structure and several functions, the new dimension of actuators comes in, thus enabling complex active structures without need for further assembly. For a given application, the possibly high degree of integration can be an important advantage. For example, in terms of space and weight optimization, as well as reduction of complexity. Besides RhySearch, Inspire, piezo and Swiss Optic were involved in the project. Inspire eCams is the innovation center for additive manufacturing in Switzerland. piezo is a world-leading supplier of high-precision tooling systems for the metalworking industry. Swiss Optic is specialized in high-precision customer-specific optics, and RhySearch itself is the Rhine Valley Research and Innovation Center, where beside applied research in optical coatings, we have a group dedicated to precision and ultra-precision machining. So we had these two research centers dedicated to the implementation of the idea, and we had piezo and Swiss Optic, which were bringing in the needs of the final customer, giving a user-centered project. From the point of view of the basic research and development, there are several challenges that still have to be further developed for a robust implementation of the technology and industrialization. But in the scope of this feasibility study, the focus was on the assessment of the potential for specific application. So the big challenge was to adapt the technology, how it is now, to the applications and boundary conditions brought in by piezo and Swiss Optic. The booster is a great opportunity to find interested partners and develop challenging ideas. For us as a research center, it's an opportunity to assess the market needs for given innovations and sharpen given ideas towards real applications. Inspire and RhySearch will keep working on the idea and especially looking for further possible application of the technology. Regarding the two specific applications assessed in this study, we have valuable results, but the last analyses are still running for conclusive evaluation. So furthermore, the readiness level of the technology is still quite low, and the specific decision on further proceeding with piezo and Swiss Optic is still in discussion.